Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore PADMA area during the pandemic corona on August 2021. If you want to know how the situation at the moment in PADMA area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I will drive around in PADMA area and I will make video. And now we are in PADMA Utara Street. You see right side, there is the hotel and some trees there. That's very good. And if you see the weather today is very beautiful. I mean very clear, very sunny. It is a good time to explore PADMA area. And today on 20th of August 2021, this is the real condition in PADMA area because I make video without skip. You see left side, there's the hotel. Look quiet. And left side at the front, there's West Bell, Suminya, also very quiet. And if you see on the street, there's just like nothing. No cars, no motorbike, just very quiet. Also the sidewalk is empty. And there is, in the right side, there is Malastia Hotel. You see? It looks very quiet, isn't it? Actually, in this area we have a lot of hotel and just only few shop. So that's why usually in here there is a lot of car and motorbike. But today, during the pandemic corona, in this area is very quiet. Left side, there is a cafe but closed. And at the front, left side, there is the big hotel. You see on the street, it's empty. Okay guys, if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I always update the new situation in Bali. Okay, now we reach shopping area. So you can see shop right side and left side. But there is all the shop is closed, isn't it? It's very bad. There's nothing activity here. Oh, they're very sad. All the shop closed in this area. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in PADMA Utara Street. And now we will explore PADMA Street and the beach. How look like the beach at the moment. Okay, now we are in PADMA Street. PADMA Hotel right side, but look very quiet. Actually, this hotel is big hotel because at the front the hotel is the beach. So very expensive hotel actually. But it's very quiet. Okay, now we will reach the beach soonly. Oh no, the beach is closed. This is because emergency lockdown, nothing. But I try to go in a little bit further. Okay, now I will try to find the parking in this area. And I just want to see how look like the beach at the moment. And you can see the weather is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear. Beautiful beach. There's the hotel at the front. And now we will go to the beach. It's very beautiful gate, isn't it? And actually along the beach there is people doing some business as umbrella rental, chair rental, and they sell soft drink, also bintang beer. But today they close because during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown. You see the beach, it's very quiet, isn't it? Very beautiful beach, but very quiet. You see? There's no one there. I only see 3 people here. It's like private beach for them. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in PADMA area. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.